I'm Mark Clifford. I am one of the brand managers and e-commerce specialists here at Phelps United. I actually manage multiple accounts and work with multiple brands to grow their presence and accelerate their business on Amazon. My primary focus will be on the e-commerce platform of Amazon as well. Kind of with the brand and product management side of my job, I work with these brands mainly to identify first their pain points that they've kind of struggled with on Amazon, specifically because the landscape is very nuanced. It's very difficult for a lot of these brands to find their place and market their products. So I kind of first identify where their products are and where their brand is in the life cycle, specifically with kind of how Amazon functions. So specifically, I work in the beginning to create a strategic plan for these brands based off of kind of what they're looking for and where they want to position themselves in the market itself. This kind of first starts off with listing optimization. Because Amazon does have its A9 algorithm, we work extensively with a lot of the programs we have internally to improve their SEO through content creation. This is all the way down from the product title bullets and written content all the way to the images and creative assets as well. And all of this is mainly just to create more product visibility on Amazon. From there, another portion of my job is kind of the inventory management, and this is mainly through sales forecasting and supply chain management, which we do hand in hand with the brand themselves. And from there, the next portion is going to be kind of performance analysis. This is a continual process as we always try to improve the brand's presence and improve their listings on Amazon as well. So we perform regular assessments and report this to the brand with our findings from customer reviews all the way down to the impressions and traffic we get to their listings. And the final portion is going to be the PPC marketing, or developing the marketing strategy itself, as this is kind of a very difficult landscape to navigate on Amazon, and it's kind of honing in on that PPC marketing where we utilize a lot of the AI softwares on our end to improve their overall profitability through marketing as well.